Hi traders, welcome to today's live currency strength indicator table video with me, John, on this Wednesday, the 9th of August. Here you can see we've had some changes to our tables overnight. We can see that the euro is now one of the stronger currencies according to the day traders table. That is featured as the third strongest currency on our trend traders table. The Swiss franc is the third strongest currency on the day traders, second strongest on our trend traders. We have the yen as the second weakest and Kiwi as the third weakest. CAD topping the table as the weakest currency at the moment. So Euro CAD is something we looked into a couple of days ago. If you're still in that position there, Euro CAD is actually still doing pretty okay. You can see this daily candlestick at the moment is fairly bullish. If we go down into our hourly time frame, we had a nice reaction down here at these previous structure points, which is where I was saying I was looking for some opportunities. Now what's happened is prices obviously come into that, broke back below the 50 moving average. I like the idea of price breaking back above the 50 as a potential entry point, so there's still some upside to this market, I feel, over the next few days, maybe a couple of weeks. So yeah, Euro CAD, I still quite like the opportunity there. But I'm going to talk about a different currency pair today. I'm going to talk about Euro Kiwi. Now, we did touch upon Euro Kiwi in previous videos. The reason why, obviously, Kiwi is featured as a currency with confluence here, and we've recently traded up to a weekly high at the 1.8050 handle, but we're breaking through it. So I was looking at the daily close yesterday. The daily close isn't the greatest because what I would have liked to have seen is a nice strong bullish close, perhaps with the body of the candle finishing sort of in the top half of the candlestick. Instead, we had quite a long wick closing back below those lows. So we do have to be a little bit cautious, I feel, with this market. However, it's still on the tables. We are trading through key area of resistance, so I still think there's maybe some upside to be had here. Now, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see recently we had a nice pin candle to the downside. So there could be opportunities on a break above this 4-hour candlestick. It says 158 on our stop loss. However, I think if you took it in below either of these two lows through there, I think that's good enough. You've got a first target of about 130 pips, but I'm actually looking to target a little bit higher up. If I just go up here, there's a level kind of just through here, which is around about the 1.84 handle. I haven't actually punched that in on the weekly chart. It's more of a daily chart level of interest, but it's around about the 184 handle. Okay, now if I just go to that daily chart, I'm going to have to scroll back a little bit to even show you why I'm interested in that particular level, but it's kind of like a little bit of like a consolidation point mixed in with some area of support and resistance as well. So so it's a little bit of a consolidation just through there, which is what I'm kind of looking to see if we can kind of target on this potential move to the upside. So I still feel like there's an opportunity here on Euro Kiwi, despite us kind of being at this kind of resistance level. If you want to kind of look at it from an hourly point of view, let's say you want to be a little bit more cautious with this, then there's things like trend line breaks you can look for. Maybe if price was to rally, break through this trend line resistance through here, it would give you a little bit more confidence to look for that move to the upside there. Another theory is we'll probably get a move up to the trend line, maybe a little bounce, and then a continuation. So that's what I'm keeping my eye on here on Euro Kiwi. I think that there's a good opportunity to be long, especially above that sort of 4-hour high. So definitely take into consideration that opportunity there. It does say that we should be looking at sort of our euro yen for opportunities. At the moment, euro yen's not particularly in a place of interest. Obviously, we've had a lot of risk on, risk off plays recently, so it is a bit of a trickier market to trade at the moment. I still like the 158 resistance being tested here, but we'll see what happens. I mean, I'm just kind of looking at price action and stuff, and where could we really get involved? There was a nice retest of the hourly 50 moving average a while back, but it's where do we get involved now? The only thing I can suggest is you can see this kind of little range that developed in here. The only thing I can look for maybe is a pullback into that area there, 50 moving average rocking through, maybe even at the lows. That would be quite nice. A rejection and a continuation to the upside. This could give you some good returns here. I mean, it's saying 176 pips on the stop loss, but you probably wouldn't need that. Let's just see how far it takes us. You got 30 pips to that low there, 70 pips to that low there, with about 100 pips to target. So, keeping it sort of around the 50 area, or at least below the 50 moving average, could prove to actually be quite a decent opportunity there on Euro Yen. But Euro, definitely the strong point at the moment. I do like this the market. So Euro Yen, Euro Kiwi. Swiss Yen is also featured. Swiss was actually at the top of the tables at one point. Swiss Yen, though, I've really struggled to find a position on Swiss Yen. It's going to be really difficult because of the fact that we're trading at the all-time high. That's what I would say about Swiss Yen. It is a bit of a difficult market to trade. I'm going to leave it there. You can tell my voice is pretty much going now. I apologise for that. But yeah, the ones I like the most really, Euro Kiwi, like the upside to this particular market. Euro CAD as well, I still think it's a good opportunity to look for. And then obviously Euro Yen is close to a key area, but maybe on a pullback it could offer something for us. So thanks for watching the video update. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll speak to you in the next video.